Who says small can't be stunning? In this Japanese-inspired apartment, every inch is intentional, every corner feels calm, and nothing is wasted. Step into a space where thoughtful design meets inner peace, and where tiny truly becomes timeless. A compact Ginkan-style entry invites you to pause. Slippers wait neatly by the door, and a small wooden bench offers both utility and simplicity. This moment of stillness prepares you to leave the world outside and enter a space made for clarity and rest. Neutral tones, a low-profile sofa, and a single plant define the space. Shoji screens let in diffused light, while every element feels essential, never excessive. Even in just a few square meters, there's breathing room, not because there's more space, but because there's less distraction. A foldable table, two low stools, and warm overhead lighting define the dining zone. Small meals, big meaning. It's a place not just to eat, but to connect, whether with yourself, a partner, or a quiet morning tea. The galley kitchen maximizes vertical space, with open shelves, modular drawers, and space-saving tools. The palette stays neutral, clean, and warm. Cooking here feels quiet, focused. Every knife, plate, and pan has its place, and nothing feels cluttered. a mix of light stone, and would create a spa-like mood. The layout is smart, separate wet and dry zones, a small soaking tub, and compact storage. It's not about size, but flow. Every fixture is placed with care, giving this bathroom the feeling of calm functionality. The workspace is small but intentional. A corner desk made from reclaimed wood, a linen pinboard, and one small potted bonsai. It's not flashy, but it works. Here, your mind can focus, gently, without pressure. Just enough for two. A small balcony with bamboo screen, floor cushions, and potted herbs. The perfect place for morning tea or evening reflection. Even in the city, this small slice of outdoor space connects you to the sky, the air, the rhythm of life. The entrance sets the tone, simple, modest, and grounding. Light wood paneling, soft lighting, and greenery offer a whisper of nature before you even step inside. It doesn't shout for attention. It gently welcomes you home, reminding you that elegance can live in quiet simplicity. Even in a small space, you can find silence, clarity, and calm with design that serves, soothes, and inspires. Tell us in the comments which corner you'd love to have in your own home. Like this video if it brought you peace. Subscribe for more interiors that prove less can truly be more. See you in the next design journey.